is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Just got out of the gym, had a pretty bomb workout, and I thought, why not bring you guys a little POV drive on the way home with a little something extra at the end of the video. It's not really gonna be a surprise because I mean it's already in the title of the video. So ever since I got this exhaust set up, my tuner gave me a flame map. I've only used it once, and I'm in the process of selling the car, and I low-key want to do it like one more time before I sell it, just because, like I said, I never really used it. So that's what this video is going to be about. I actually have another map too, the popcorn map. I have not used that one at all, like at all. I have never used it on this exhaust setup. I'm thinking about possibly using it today as well, but I don't know. We'll see what's up. We'll see what this video turns into. But what's up, guys? Haven't vlogged in about a week or so. Hope you guys have all been doing well. Hope you guys are all having a great day today, or a great night, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. That was a fail. The floor was a little wet. I thought it was gonna spin. Listen to that beat, bro. Lucky for a exhaust setup on the cheaper side, it sounds really good. It's slow, but at least she sounds good. Actually, let me clarify that. It is not slow, but compared to, like, for example, my Z, or like nowadays, like the new Beamers that downpipe between you're making 500 wheel horsepower, it is slow. But honestly, for what it is, pretty quick. Back in like 2019, 2018, this car was quick, bro. Before people discovered the the capabilities of BMWs. I feel like that shit ruined a lot of things. Not everybody has a BMW downpipe, a little email tune, gapping a lot of cars. But hey, I might join that. Those people very soon. Look, speaking about it, it's a BMW. It's a gas little Camaro with a big wing. What are you doing? In my opinion, that's stupid to me. That's so stupid. Cutting up in traffic. If you guys want to catch a little road race, whatever, slow down, get away from people as much as you can, do a little pull, let go, that's it. But like, to be cutting in and out of traffic, bro, at high speeds, it's like literally putting the public at so much like risk. I know I might sound like a little or something right now, but that's the truth, bro. Like, I've never understood like the hype on that. Like, if you want to race somebody, a little road race, cool. Like I said, slow down, hit it, let go, everybody's happy. But why are you gonna be cutting up at like 100 plus miles an hour? That's just stupid to me. All it takes is one little small miscalculation, and you can hurt yourself, or worse, hurt somebody else. So yeah, don't do that shit, bro. But enough of that. Let's hear some VQ downshifts. There's gonna be my exhaust right now. You guys see that? Yeah, we're coming to this little dead end that's always super dark, so we should be able to see the flames quite a bit here, I hope. Oh, Oh damn, they repaved this. Oh, we could slide it back here now. Before it used to be all uneven and like pretty bad. Oh, there's a lot of rocks though. Oh yeah, there's a lot of rocks. Let's just continue with the scheduled programming of the flame map. Yeah, there's hella rocks, bro. Not the move with that. It's gonna be the ISR right now, watch. Bro, I don't even remember what map this is. I've never used it. I believe it's 3. Good or not? Like big ones, or you just showed me the clips, pretty sick, but I'm gonna do it just one more time because I feel like the exhaust was still a little too cold. How are those?
They're the same.
Let's see. All right, yeah, I'm not trying to over abuse this car, but they're kind of big.
Sick.
All right, let's do this. Let's get out of here. All right, guys, so we've been letting the car sit right here, cool down a little bit, and while we were waiting, I called my tuner because I felt like blessing you guys today. For those of you guys that watch my videos or follow me on Instagram, you guys know that sometimes I'll do tune specials. So I'll give my tuner, get you guys a special price, very, very discounted, by the way, and you can get your car tuned with all the maps just like this car. So he allowed me to give this special pricing. His regular pricings for this exact package is like $1,200, but I'm gonna bless you guys and give you guys this tune special for $650. That's it. So the special contains a performance street tune, this flame map you guys just seen, the popcorn map, which I might do right now on the way home, and I believe he could also give you guys a eco map or maybe even an anti-theft map. Pretty much all the maps that he offers you could get for this special price. The last time we did this, bro, we got so many people. It was such a success. And once we closed it, there were still hella people trying to do it. But unfortunately, he gave me to a certain date and I had to respect it. So today, by the time you guys are watching this, it's going to be Thursday. It's probably going to go for 1 full week. So next Thursday, after that day, it's going to be cut off. I can no longer do this special. But the only catch, I guess you could say, is that in order to lock in your spot, you must send a $100 non-refundable deposit through Zelle to me, and we'll get you locked in. Now, does it mean you have to tune as soon as possible? No. You have exactly 1 month from the day you send the deposit to tune your car. Hypothetically, you send it tomorrow, April 3rd. You have until May 3rd to tune your car. So if you need to get more bolt-ons, save up more money, whatever you guys need to do, you guys have 1 month to do it. Like I said, this package is usually upwards of $1,200 or about $1,200 with my tuner, so that's pretty much half off. If you guys are interested, DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is right here for those of you guys that do not follow me, and we'll get you right, bro. A full tune for half off. But anyways, it's pretty freaking cold. Let's get out of here. Thank you, Eric, for following me and coming with me to do these thought activities. I was thinking about sliding it back there.
Good.
Nah, there's a lot of rocks though.
So what? Good.
Nah. Maybe when it rains, that way the tires are in the back aren't the best, so I don't want to like just waste them right now. You know what? It's an empty road right here. Let's go ahead and launch the car. I haven't launched it in quite some time. All right, so like I said, Eric has my camera right now, by the way. I've never tried this map, bro. It's my popcorn map. I used it on the stock exhaust, but never with this exhaust setup. So I'm kind of scared to use it, but we're gonna use it and see how it sounds. Alright, that's enough. Never mind. One more. Oh, that's a cop right there, but what am I doing? Oops. Oh, that's not a cop. You fucking guy, bro. I hate these trucks, bro. Right, guys, that's enough abuse for this car. That's what I love about these cars, bro. You could abuse them, do pretty much whatever you want with them, and they're still good, thankfully. These are great cars, bro. And honestly, as long as you do your maintenance, take care of them, and don't abuse what I just did. Like I said, this is already my second time using the flame map since I got it, and my first time ever doing the popcorn map on this exhaust setup. As long as you don't abuse those things, you're always going to be fine. And like I said, do your maintenance. Matter of fact, I need to do my maintenance on this car. I'm gonna do the oil change for the next owner, so it's fresh right before I sell it. Because this car is for sale, by the way. For those of you guys that didn't watch my last video, it is for sale. $16,500 as is on stocks. You can own this car with everything it has besides the wheels for $16,500. Honestly, the way that the market is on these cars, you'll get a salvage one with higher miles for like $10,000 to $12,000. So I feel like it's a pretty good deal. $16,500 on stocks. If you want the wheels, I really don't want to sell them, but you'll just have to buy them like apart. So I don't know how much I let the wheels go for, if I'm being honest. But yeah, guys, if you guys want to sell this, if you guys want this car, it's for sale. I'll link the Facebook marketplace listing down below. Let's see Eric's reaction to the pops. How were they in person?
They're fucking loud.
Yeah, with shoot flames or not really?
Yeah, a little bit.
Nice. For those of you guys that might not remember him, he used to have a Z that used to spit crazy flames as well. Like I said, you could do what this car just did and what his car used to do, all for $650. Any VQ from 2003 all the way to 2020 or whatever, last year they stopped making the VQs. You recommend E-Class tunes, bro?
100%, dude.
Bro, this guy abused his car like 10 times more than both of mine. That shit had like 200,000 miles when he sold it, and it was still perfectly fine, bro. So although these tunes might have like a bad rep, like, oh, like you're abusing your car, like I said, keep up on your maintenance. Don't overdo it, and the car will last you forever. Honestly, not to be biased, but my tuner does get down at what he does. So even though it's a rough tune, it'll be relatively safe as long as you do your part. All right, guys, we made it back home safe and sound. So that's going to conclude today's video, guys. Like I said, I will be hosting another tune special tomorrow. You guys will go ahead and DM me right now on Instagram once you guys are seeing this. And I also will make a post on Instagram and a story with everything laid out, like on a picture, like in the description, whatever. But yeah, guys, if you guys want a tune for pretty much half off full tune, all maps. Make sure to DM me. 650 bucks, all maps. That's a deal, bro. But with that being said, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys could be there whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. This car's still for sale, by the way, if anybody wants it. $16,500 or best offer on stocks. Peace out, guys.